Have you ever had troubles cutting lettuce in the past? What if you could do all that with just a single pocket knife? This fabulous Ranger Swiss knife is only $19.99. Yep, that's right, $19.99. You should get it right now. Yep, get it right now. While so you don't have any troubles cutting your lettuce like the previous guy. This can be used as a corkscrew, can opener, screwdriver, keyring, tweezer, toothpick, as scissors, multi-purpose wood saw, chisel, nail file, and last but not least, a metal saw.